Data analysis question. 30 boys surveyed asked how many pairs of shoes they own, and the results shown in the table there. How do I know there's 30 boys? Well, quite easily. I've got 14 who own 1 pair of shoes, 7 who own 2 pairs of shoes, that's 21 boys in total, another 5 in that group, 26, add another 3, add another 1, 30 boys in the survey. Before we get on to what I really want to do, which is finding the mean of the distribution, just have a quick look at some other things. Firstly, what's the mode? Well, the mode is the most frequently occurring value. If I look through this, I've got 14 boys who own 1 pair of shoes, so 1 is the most frequently occurring value. It's there 14 times. If I look at the range is the biggest value minus the smallest value. Well, the biggest number of pairs of shoes owned is 5. The smallest number of pairs of shoes owned is 1, so my range is 5 take away 1, which is 4. We can work the median out for this as well. As I said, we had 30 values, so the median is the 30 plus 1 divided by 2th value. In other words, the 15.5th value, halfway between the 15th and the 16th value. My first 14 values are 1s, so the median isn't in that group, it isn't a 1. My 15th value therefore is a 2, as is my 16th value a 2, so the 15.5th value is halfway between 2 and 2, which is 2. So the median is 2. But what I really want to look at in this video is how to calculate the mean of the distribution. Now the mean is the total number of pairs of shoes divided by the number of people in the survey. Well, the number of people in the survey is 30. To get the number of pairs of shoes, well, 14 people owned 1 pair of shoes, so that's 14 pairs of shoes. 7 people owned 2 pairs of shoes, so that's another 14 pairs of shoes. 5 boys owned 3 pairs of shoes, so that's 15 pairs of shoes, and so on for the rest. Now I know there are 30 boys in the survey, so I divide by 30, and it's just a case of banging those numbers into the calculator and finding out what my final result is. I'll use the fraction button, and then I'll just do the calculation on the top. 14 times 1 plus 7 times 2 plus 5 times 3 plus 3 times 4 plus 5 times 1 on the top, and on the bottom is 30. Press equals. It'll give it me as, would you believe it, exactly 2 pairs of shoes.